welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana Ebong, and in this video I want to share with you 3 ways that you can make more money online. So you want to stick around for this. So there are a ton of jobs online right now because thanks to COVID-19, a lot of companies are cutting down or trying to cut down on cost. Hence, they are hiring people remotely. So my top pick for an online job that pays very well is to become a virtual assistant. Yes, that's the thing now, a virtual assistant. And what that is basically you provide administrative or creative services to your clients or the company that has hired you. And why this is so beautiful is you get to choose the hours you want to work, and you get to choose the fees you get to be paid for your skills, for your skill set actually. So basically what you need is just a computer and a strong internet connection to execute the tasks that your client will give to you on a day-to-day basis. And some of the tasks that a virtual assistant is hired to do is just basic stuff like sending emails, scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts of the client or the company. So it's basically something that you could do if you have a basic education. So yeah, becoming a virtual assistant is my #1 pick for an online job that pays you extra cash. Now, I am signed up to 3 websites that offer virtual assistant jobs. One of them is Freelancer, the other one is Truelancer, and the third one is Fiverr. So all you have to do is sign up to any of these sites and you start getting jobs. My second pick for an online job that pays very well is to become an online tutor. Hey, it's not just for teachers. If you have a skill or a passion or a talent that is teachable, then you can become an online tutor. If you are good in playing a guitar, if you're good at playing a piano, if you're good at baking, if you're good in math or physics or chemistry, if you're good in English, there is somebody online who is ready to pay you for that skill just for you to teach them how. You have no idea how many people are online who are looking for people who are native English speakers to help them with their English. So if you're just a basic person who is good in English and you can do some writing in English, there's somebody online who will pay you to teach them how to write in English or how to speak in English. So becoming an online tutor is one of the easiest things you can do to make some extra cash. So if you're in Doha, Qatar, one of the sites that I would recommend is www.teacheron.com and myprivatetutor.qa. I will leave the links in the description box. If you're outside of Qatar, one of the ones that are very, very popular right now is VIP Kid. VIP Kid is an online site that hires online tutors and you get paid. All you have to do is set up a PayPal account and you get paid after your classes. So another way that I just discovered for making some extra cash online is to sell pictures of your feet on Etsy. Yes, you heard me. Selling pictures of your feet online is now a big thing. If you Google Etsy and search for pictures, feet pictures, you'll be amazed at how much people are willing to pay for pictures of your feet. So if you're able to take creative pictures of your feet and post them online, you might make some extra bucks. And don't ask me what they're using it for because I have no idea. So my last sure way of making money online is to put your house or your spare rooms on Airbnb. So if you have a large house and some spare rooms that you're not using, you could touch them up and make them look nice and neat and then put them up on Airbnb, and people will hire them and pay you a fee for staying in those rooms for days or weeks. It gets rented out for short terms and you get extra cash in your pocket. Passive income. Who doesn't love that? So do let me know if you take advantage of any of these online money making tricks that I have shared with you, and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the videos and share them so other people can benefit from the information that I have shared. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.